Hello and welcome back to Venture Care at Home. We have another great music craft for you today. So in your care packages, you will each be receiving, this is a collaborative project, so there's one per care package. You'll be receiving a box. There's all different shapes and sizes. They could be cereal boxes, waffle boxes, tissue boxes, but they're all boxes that already have a pre-cut hole in them. And in the care package will also be a roll of duct tape or small washi tape, depending on how many people are receiving your care package, and a few different size rubber bands. So since we're doing a music themed craft, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how you could recycle some of your items at home to make a guitar. Now, if you really enjoy this and you want to make more, you could start recycling some of the boxes that you have at home when you're done with your cereal or waffles. So I hope you enjoy. We're going to get started with this. I'm going to show you what I do, but of course, as always, you could do it however you'd like. I thought it'd be fun and easy to use some decorative duct tape. So I am going to start with some rainbow duct tape. So you'll notice again, these boxes are already pre-cut, and we have taped them a little bit just so they stay closed for you. They're a little bit easier to work with. And to decorate, you could always, if you wanted to put a tablecloth down and paint them, you certainly can. You can get markers out and color on them. I thought the duct tape was something a little different than what we've done in the past. So I'm just going to take random sizes of the duct tape and decorate my box. I'm sending home one type of duct tape to each of you, but again, you can go ahead and get whatever you'd like. If you want to, you know, buy some more duct tape or get some silver duct tape from the hardware store. They also have all different colored duct tapes. You're welcome to get what you'd like, but we are providing for you at least one roll of tape. So now for me, I'm kind of just focusing on the front of it since that's mostly what we'll see, but you could decorate all the sides of it. And you could also always get wrapping paper and kind of wrap it. That might be fun to do too. But when you're all done with these packages, you will have a guitar and the tambourines that we made. And as we go into December and we start our caroling and singing, you'll have some instruments to use. So I'm trying to be careful to not block our opening because we need this for our sound to work. Is part of it, and I just went ahead and grabbed something that I had in my arsenal of craft supplies, and I'm just going to you know, add a little again, you can go back and go over this then with markers or Sharpies, stickers, stamps, whatever you have at home that you think would make your guitars look really cool. There's some of this washi tape. I know you've gotten some of this in the past. You could certainly use this as well. I kind of like to layer and add all different sorts of designs and textures. Okay, we got our paper stuck in here. Okay. And so it's really simple. So you could keep going and you could decorate everything, the front and the back. And then once everything is decorated, you're going to take your rubber bands and you're just going to stretch them, and you want to make sure they're over the hole in your box. Now you will notice these are 3 slightly different size rubber bands. The amount of stretch that's on and now you can hear how we could play our guitar.